Morning, class.
Good morning, teacher.
Okay, this morning we will talk about
Cheese.
Okay, are you ready?
Ready.
Okay, children, I want a volunteer. Then, please pick one picture, then identify the shape. Okay, who wants to volunteer first? Okay, Carlos. Okay, identify first. Okay, this is...
This is a circle.
Okay. Okay, clap your hands. Another volunteer. Okay, Charlie. Okay, identify the picture.
This is a square.
No.
Rectangle.
Okay, rectangle. Okay, clap your hands. Okay, thank you, Charlie. So, another one. Girl. Very good, girl. Look at that. Okay, last. Okay, Ana Marie. Okay, triangle. Clap your hands. Children, now let us have more examples. So, there are many pictures here. Then please select one that looks like circle. Okay, who wants to volunteer? Okay, Justin. Circle. 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 Very good. Okay, next, Ron. Very good. Clap your hands. This is which is like a rectangle. Okay, Gian. Faster. Okay, very good. Okay, Oli. Very good. Clap your hands. Okay, class, what is this? Okay, give me a object that looks like square. Okay. Carlos.
This is square.
Oh, very good. That is a box. Okay. Okay, last Mado. Okay, clap your hands. Okay, class, this is give me an example of triangle. Okay. Nasser. Okay, another. Okay, Angel. Okay. Very good. Clap your hands. Hi. Hello. Class, we will have a group activity. Okay, this is for group 1, for group 2, group 3, and group 4. Okay, ready na? Ready na? Okay, class. At the count of 10, place all the group 1 cup in front. Faster. Faster with your hand. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, say something about your shape. Go.
Look at me, I am a rectangle. My head is long and flat.
Okay, give me an example. Example. This is donut. Very good. Ball. Side. This is orange. Okay. Next. Class, this is a rectangle. Okay. And this is a circle. Okay, group 2. Come in front. Faster. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, say something.
I am a square. All my sides are the same.
The same. All the sides is the same. So this is?
Square.
This is?
Square.
Example. A clap. Okay, television. Okay, very good. Clap your hands. Okay, let us proceed to group 3. Okay, 1, 2, ready, go.
I am a triangle. My head is pointed, but I'm a good friend.
Okay, again. I am go.
I am a triangle. My head is pointed, but I am a good friend.
Okay, give me the triangle. So, example. Example, Carlos.
Is a case.
Ice cream cone. Very good. Christmas tree. Slice of cake. And volcano. Very good. Clap your hands. Okay, let us proceed to the last group. Group 4. Come in the front. Okay, 1, 2, say something about your. Okay.
I am a circle. Round and round your rainbow around me.
Okay, where's the circle? Guys, repeat. Go.
Look at me, I am a rectangle. My head is flat.
Very good. Give me an example. This is.
Rectangle.
So, very good. Next. Flag. Roller. This is a very good we have. Class, before we proceed to our quiz, let us sing. Do you know the song about the sheep? It's where it is sing. Okay, goodbye class.
Goodbye!